Greece, the land of myths, olives, and endless blue, a place where ancient history meets modern vibrancy, and where every corner has a story to tell. The Aegean Sea, with its sparkling waters, is a treasure trove of islands, each more enchanting than the last. But oh, those islands! Each one a world of its own, begging to be explored. From the rugged cliffs to the sandy beaches, the diversity is astounding. Imagine stepping onto an island where time seems to stand still, where the air is filled with the scent of wild herbs and the sound of waves gently lapping the shore. And what better way than hopping from one to another, like a butterfly in a turquoise heaven? Picture yourself on a boat, the wind in your hair, the sun on your face, as you glide across the crystal clear waters. Each island you visit offers a new adventure, a new discovery. Island hopping in Greece isn't just travel, it's an adventure. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, meeting the warm and welcoming people, and experiencing the unique traditions of each island. It's about the thrill of the unknown, the joy of discovery, a chance to sample different flavors of this magical country. From fresh seafood to traditional dishes like moussaka and souvlaki, the culinary delights are endless. Each island has its own specialties, its own unique tastes that reflect its history and culture. From bustling Mykonos to tranquil Santorini, each island whispers its own story. Mykonos, with its vibrant nightlife and iconic windmills, is a place of energy and excitement. Santorini, with its stunning sunsets and whitewashed buildings, offers a serene escape. Each island has its own rhythm, its own heartbeat. But today, darlings, we're off to two lesser-known gems, Kasos and Karpathos. These islands may not be as famous as Mykonos or Santorini, but they are just as captivating. Kasos, with its rugged beauty and rich history, is a place of tranquility and charm. Karpathos, with its stunning landscapes and vibrant traditions, is a place of adventure and discovery. So pack your bags and join us on this unforgettable journey through the Aegean Sea. Now imagine this. You're sipping your Greek coffee, the scent of bougainvillea in the air, and suddenly, it's time to fly. But this is no ordinary flight. This, my dears, is the shortest international flight in the world. 5 minutes. That's all it takes to hop from Kasos to Karpathos. A mere blink of an eye, and you're greeted by a whole new landscape. It's almost quicker than popping next door for a cup of sugar. Kasos, my darlings, is a place where time seems to slow down, a place to escape the hustle and bustle, to breathe in the fresh sea air, and to indulge in the simple pleasures of life. And believe me, the flavors here are anything but simple. This tiny island is a haven for foodies. The locals here are passionate about their culinary heritage, using traditional recipes passed down through generations. And the star of the show? The cheese, darlings, the cheese. Kasos cheese is legendary. This cheese, known for its rich and creamy texture, is a staple in the diet of the island's inhabitants. The process of making this cheese has been passed down through generations, preserving the traditional methods that give it its distinctive taste. Made from the milk of goats and sheep that graze freely on the island's herbs, the cheese absorbs the unique flavors of the local flora. The animals feed on a variety of wild herbs, including thyme, oregano, and sage, which infuse the milk with a subtle yet complex flavor profile. It has a unique, tangy flavor that will tantalize your taste buds. The first bite reveals a burst of tanginess, followed by a creamy finish that lingers on the palate. This cheese is not just a food item, it's an experience that captures the essence of Kasos. Try it crumbled over a Greek salad, where its sharpness complements the freshness of the vegetables. Baked in a spanakopita, it adds a rich, savory depth to the dish. The cheese melts perfectly, blending with the spinach and herbs to create a harmonious flavor, or simply enjoy it with a slice of crusty bread. The contrast between the crunchy bread and the creamy cheese is a simple yet satisfying pleasure. This combination is a favorite among locals and visitors alike, often enjoyed as a quick snack or a light meal. But the culinary delights of Kasos don't stop there. The island is a treasure trove of gastronomic wonders, each dish telling a story of the land and its people. The local cuisine is a reflection of the island's rich history and diverse influences. From fresh seafood to slow-cooked stews, the variety of dishes available is astounding. The seafood, caught daily by local fishermen, is as fresh as it gets. Grilled, baked, or served raw, the flavors are pure and unadulterated. Every dish is a celebration of the island's bounty. The slow-cooked stews, often made with locally sourced meats and vegetables, are a testament to the island's culinary heritage. These stews are cooked for hours, allowing the flavors to meld together into a rich, hearty meal. Be sure to try the local honey, a sweet treat that is as natural as it gets. The honey is harvested from bees that collect nectar from the island's wildflowers, giving it a unique flavor that is both floral and earthy. Made from the nectar of wild thyme and oregano, it's simply divine. This honey is not just a sweetener, it's a reflection of the island's natural beauty. Drizzle it over yogurt, spread it on bread, or enjoy it straight from the spoon. Each taste is a reminder of the island's pristine landscapes and the harmonious relationship between nature and the people of Kasos. Karpathos, where beauty meets the sea. And then there's Karpathos. Karpathos. This island is a sight to behold. Rugged mountains plunge into the turquoise waters, creating a dramatic and unforgettable landscape. It's a place where you can lose yourself in nature's embrace. But Karpathos is more than just a pretty face. This island is steeped in history and tradition. From ancient ruins to charming villages, there's something here to fascinate everyone. Exploring Karpathos' diverse landscapes. For the adventurous souls, Karpathos offers a plethora of activities. Hike through the stunning mountains, explore hidden coves by boat, or simply relax on one of the many pristine beaches. And if you're feeling brave, why not try windsurfing at Aviation Beach? This world-renowned spot attracts windsurfers from all over the globe. But be warned, the Meltemi wind can be a force to be reckoned with. Why choose when you can have both? So there you have it, darlings. 2 islands, 2 unique experiences, and all within a 5-minute flight. Why choose when you can have the best of both worlds? Spend a few days indulging in the culinary delights of Kasos, then hop over to Karpathos to soak up the sun and explore its stunning landscapes. It's the perfect combination for an unforgettable Greek adventure. Planning your island adventure. Getting to Kasos and Karpathos is easier than you might think. Regular flights operate from Athens, and there are also ferry connections from other islands. Once you're there, you'll find a warm welcome and a slower pace of life. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your swimsuit, and get ready to experience the magic of these hidden Greek gems. Conclusion: 2 islands, 1 unforgettable journey. Kasos and Karpathos, 2 tiny dots on the map, yet they hold a world of wonder within them. These islands, though small in size, are immense in their offerings. They are like hidden gems in the vast expanse of the Aegean Sea, waiting to be discovered by those who seek adventure and tranquility. From the moment you step foot on their shores, you'll be captivated by their beauty, their charm, and their unique spirit. The pristine beaches with their clear blue waters invite you to relax and soak in the sun. The traditional Greek villages, with their whitewashed houses and narrow cobblestone streets, tell stories of a rich cultural heritage, and as the sun sets over these islands, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, you'll find yourself lost in their enchanting allure. The local markets are a feast for the senses, with fresh produce, aromatic herbs, and vibrant colors. The cuisine, a delightful blend of flavors, offers a taste of the Mediterranean that is both unique and unforgettable. And the fishermen, with their age-old techniques, bring in the freshest catch of the day, adding to the island's charm. These islands, linked by the shortest of flights, offer a journey like no other. The flight itself is an experience, offering breathtaking aerial views of the islands and the surrounding Aegean Sea. As you soar above, you'll see the island's rugged landscapes dotted with olive groves and ancient ruins, telling tales of a bygone era. Once on the ground, the adventure continues. Hike the island trails that lead to hidden coves and panoramic viewpoints. Explore ancient ruins that whisper stories of the past, and immerse yourself in local festivals where music, dance, and traditions come alive, offering a glimpse into the island's vibrant culture. A journey that will stay with you long after you've returned home. The memories of the warm hospitality, the stunning landscapes, and the rich cultural experiences will linger in your heart, calling you back to these magical islands. So, go forth, darlings, and discover the magic of the Aegean. Let Kasos and Karpathos be your next adventure, and let their wonders unfold before you. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a cultural immersion, these islands have something for everyone. Embrace the journey and let the spirit of the Aegean guide you to an unforgettable experience.